all. I hope you all are good and happy. So today we will begin with the lesson number 1 of your class 4 English. That is a beautiful poem given by John Keats, A Naughty Boy. The Naughty Boy. Who is a naughty boy? In this poem we will get to know कि naughty boy ने क्या-क्या किया, क्या-क्या देखा. Let's read this. First I will read the poem for you, then I will explain you briefly. Once upon a time, there was a naughty boy, and the naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. There he found that the ground was as hard that a yard, was as long that a song, was as merry that a cherry, was as red that a lead, was as weighty that fourscore, was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes and wondered. He wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. This poem is given by John Keats. This is a beautiful poem he has given. So let's read this poem. I will explain you first. So once upon a time there was a naughty boy. एक टाइम पे बहुत टाइम पहले एक naughty boy था. वो क्या एक boy था, वो क्या था, naughty था. And the naughty boy was he. वो naughty boy कौन था? He. उसका name था Heath. He ran away to the Scotland. वो कहाँ भाग जाता है? Scotland की तरफ. The people there see. वो people वहाँ पे उसको देखते हैं. The people there to see. There he found, उसने वह देखा, that the ground was as hard that a yard, वो उसने देखा ground तो बहुत hard है, that a yard was as long, और yard तो बहुत ज़्यादा long है, that a song was as merry, song तो बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा मतलब सुरीला है, that a cherry was as red, cherry जितनी red होती है, that a lead was as weighty, lead थी बहुत ज़्यादा weighty थी, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा वजन था कि जैसे कि that fourscore, उस fourscore की तरफ, was as 80 that a door, वो कैसा था, 80 था बहुत ज़्यादा, door की जितना, was as wooden, that a door was as wooden, door कैसा था, बहुत ज़्यादा wooden था, as in England, जैसे कि England में. So he stood in his shoes and wondered. तो वो अपने shoes में खड़ा रहा और सोचता रहा. He wondered, वो सोचता रहा. He stood in his shoes, फिर भी वो shoes में ही खड़ा रहा, and he wondered, वो सोचता ही रहा इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में. So that's all for this poem. I hope you all like the explanation of these lines. Thank you. Have a nice day.